Your air conditioning system uses a special refrigerant gas which cools the air that is blown through the vents and into the passenger compartment, providing in-car comfort during the hot summer months. The system also removes moisture to demist your windscreen more effectively in winter. The air conditioning system can lose up to 10% of its gas each year and requires regular maintenance to work efficiently and effectively. The Aircon system is lubricated by a special oil that circulates through the system with the refrigerant gas. As the gas level decreases, critical components such as the compressor don't get lubricated correctly, leading to potentially expensive repairs. During our air conditioning service, we drain and recharge the system, removing any old refrigerant gas and oil from your aircon system. We then check hoses, filters, belts, and connections and make sure the compressor and condenser are working correctly. A vacuum test is performed to ensure there are no leaks or damage in your air conditioning system that could cause the gas to escape. We then recharge the air conditioning system with the correct amount of new refrigerant and lubricant. The service also includes a system debug to clear bacterial buildup from within the ventilation system, which will remove any unpleasant odors. Following your air conditioning service, you can be confident that the air in your car is clean and that the system is working efficiently and effectively.